We can allow individual customers of a group appointment to pay for their tips separately, all within the same order. Let's look at a closed order from a group appointment. There are 3 customers in this group: Rosie, Denise, and Frankie. Each service was provided by a different service provider: Charlie, Angel, and John. Each customer of the group will pay for their tip separately, but all within the same order. First, we will add the tip for Charlie. To add the first tip, click on Tips down below. Choose the payment method for this first tip. Rosie is paying for this tip with cash. Then enter in the tip total. We want to apply this first tip only to Charlie, but remember, the system is automatically distributing the tips. We will need to edit these individual tip amounts. Apply the full tip amount to Charlie and set the other employees to $0. Once that's done, click on Apply Tip. Back in the main view of the order, we will see that $20 tip being given only to Charlie. Let's go ahead and add a tip for John next. Click on Tips again. Since this order already has a tip applied, we will see and click on Add More Tip. Next, as we know, we're going to choose how this tip is being paid for. Denise is paying for her tip with a credit card. We will enter in the tip amount here, and down below, this amount needs to be applied just to John. We will set the tip amounts for the other employees to $0. Once everything is correct, click on Apply Tip to finalize. Back in the main view of the order, we will see that $25 tip being given only to John. We can add a tip for Angel by clicking Tips and then click on Add More Tip. Next, choose how this tip is being paid for. Frankie is paying for this with a gift certificate. We will enter in the tip amount here, and down below, this amount needs to be applied just to Angel. We will set the tip amounts for the other employees to $0, and then we're going to enter in the GC number in the field below and then click Validate Gift Code. And we'll click on Apply Tip to finalize. Back in the main view of the order, we will see that $20 tip being given only to Angel. And within any closed order, the payment history shows a section for tips. We can see how many tips have been added, along with the payment types for those. Thanks for watching!